Hello, it's Dave. I'm back again. I'm here to talk to you about a metronome and using drum beats to practice with. It's very helpful in learning to develop a sense of timing. So you want to get used to that. I'm going to focus on this chord progression here that I posted in a previous video. Using these 4 chords. If you forget how to play these, just go back a couple videos and you'll find a lesson how to play these chords. I'm going to start with C and F. Okay, so basically these are strum marks, right? So you're going to go C, 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 F, 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 and that's a repeat sign. It means to do it again, like this. So you got C, F, C, F. Okay, that's this first little line here. Next, you're going to do A minor, 4 strums, F, 4 strums, then you repeat it, and then finally ending on C with 4 strums, like this. A minor, F, A minor, F, then C. Right? Now you see me, I'm using my thumb. Usually I use the back of my fingers when I'm strumming. I think I mentioned that in a previous video. Or if you have a ukulele pick, you can use that too. But definitely don't use a guitar pick on a ukulele because it's a little bit heavy for the strings. So it's recommended that if you do want to use a pick, to use a ukulele pick. Actually, I have one here. I think I showed you before. Looks like this. This one's made of felt. Okay, and you just basically glide the pick across the strings with the pointy part facing down here over the sound hole. Okay, so again, you kind of see me leaning over. You always think about posture, right? You want to be sitting up straight in the chair, holding the back of the ukulele against your belly, kind of like this. Feet flat on the floor. With that thumb, remember, to the back of the neck, keeping that C shape, so you're using those fingertips on the strings. All right, I'm going to reposition this camera just a little bit, see if I can get this in there. All right, so we're going to focus on this progression, but I'm going to show you using this progression with something on my phone here that you can find. It's called a metronome. I don't know if you can see that or not. There we go. And it's available on Google. I just did a search for free metronome. There's also a metronome app that you can load. Okay, and I know my phone is backwards, but it's basically showing 80 beats per minute. Just push play. There it is. Okay, 80 BPM means beats per minute. Okay, so I'm going to play that same progression. Right? Only I'm going to tap my foot. Right? So you want to tap your foot to the beat like I'm doing. You can hear it tapping maybe. Down, down, tap, tap. Right? You're going to strum C. So that's how you use a metronome, okay? Or if you have a free metronome, an actual metronome, which was a device they used that ticked back and forth, right? That was the old one or you can get them, get battery operated ones that work. And of course, if you set this, think about the metronome a second. Here we go. Oh, I just set it for 60 beats per minute. So the second hand on a clock can work too. All right, and you could go slow or fast. I recommend starting at 60, 80 beats per minute, but not too fast. It obviously could go really fast with this. Let's see, the fastest is like oh yeah, that's really 200 there, 218. Okay, enough of that. Next I'm going to show you on YouTube. I did a search here for a beat, okay, drum beat, 80 beats per minute, and several of them come up. But I like this one. It's called Simple Straight Drum Track, 80 beats per minute. And here, I'm going to turn it upside down there for you. And I like it because it shows you the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I simply found that by typing that in. Now we're going to try this again using that drum beat. So I'll start it from the beginning. And it goes on for a long time, like 7 or 8 minutes worth of drum beating that you can practice with. And there's also different numbers too. You can go slower or faster. They have several beats available to practice with. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. A minor. F. Then C. Okay, so have fun with that, and we'll be back in the next video to talk to you about some method books.